All right, I have been getting a lot of questions about Nearpod and how to actually make a Nearpod, so I figured I would make this video to show you how to make your own. One thing you can do that's really easy is go to the Nearpod library and find a lesson you like. I'll just pick this one. Some of them are free, some of them cost money. I usually, if I'm searching, I filter for free ones. Anything that you download, you can edit. It basically becomes yours. You can add things, you can take away things. So that might be an easy spot to get some ideas from. If you want to make your own, you click on create your own lesson. And then you can either add slides or you can upload your own lesson. So if you have a PowerPoint, you just drag it in and it loads. Now, it took some time yesterday for it to load what I was trying to do, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. But your PowerPoint goes in like pictures, just like it goes into Blackboard. So it won't have any of the fancy transitions, but everything else should be the same. If you want to add something or add your own, you can add any one of these things. So my favorite things to add, because I'll put in a PowerPoint, I love add activity. You can do an open-ended question, just pops up, and they all have to answer the question. You can also do matching pairs. This one is new, and I love it because you can add a pair, and you can either do text or images. So you could do a picture with a vocab word, or a vocab word and a definition. Lots of things you can do with that. And then obviously you just push save whenever you've done it. Quiz, draw it. Draw it is where they can write right on the screen. She did some of that yesterday with the bridge. Collaborate, you get that. It looks like a Padlet if you have experience with Padlet. It's kind of like sticky notes on a wall. Fill in the blanks. Memory test is just straight like how you would play memory. So if you put in a picture, you have to match the picture with the other picture. Adding content is my other favorite thing to do. Because you have 3D simulations, you have PhET simulations, there's lots of science and math things in there. This is the one. This one's my absolute favorite, the field trip. So if you want to add a virtual field trip, everything I have found so far, everything I've tried to search so far, I have found. So if I'm looking for Pompeii, I just put in Pompeii, search, and here's a whole bunch of those 360 pictures. I'll just pick one, say done, and you can preview it before you put it in. And then if you preview it, this is what it looks like from the student view. They can move it around, etc. You can also add videos, so if you have a YouTube video, you can put it right in, and then it will play for them within the screen. So we usually do like safe share to get rid of those comments and those ads. You don't need to do it. You just take that YouTube link, paste it right in here, or you can search if you don't have one, and then it's in there cleared of everything. Audio is new, but you can record on the screen and it'll play for you. PDF, if you have a PDF, you can put it in there. I saw someone who put in a PDF of a picture of a cell and said, color cell wall blue, color the nucleus orange, and then did that right in there. And of course, you can just put in a slide like you were in the PowerPoint. You have some different design options over here, some of which are cut off, I know. And then you can change the layout to however you want. You can add in your audio, add in a background image. So that's how you do all of that within it. Pretty easy once you kind of get the hang of it, and you can rearrange things. So I'll just add a cell. So if I want the cell before my field trip, you just click and drag. Once you're done, you can save, you can preview it. So this is what my 2-slide Nearpod will look like for a student view. So here's that. And then here's our virtual field trip. And you can use the same slide deck, I guess I'll call it, for either student-paced or teacher-led. So the same process is the same. You call it something, save and exit, and you are good to go.